Hello friends, today I am going to teach you about the advanced elements of input tag. The HTML input tag element is used to create interactive control for web-based form in order to accept data from user. Here we have to use HTML5 and all the elements may not be supported by the browsers. So I will recommend Google Chrome to display all the element types. Here I am going to teach you the types of input element, that is color, number, URL, image, date, email, month, range, date, time, local, time, week, search, file, tel. Here tel means telephone number. Now first of all we'll see color. Color is one of the type of input element which is used as a control for specifying color. Here we can open a color picker which is only supported by active browser. Then comes number. It is a control for entering a number. You will see a control where you can select the number. Then comes URL. Here you can enter the URL. Now we'll see the image element. Image element is like submit button, only we can see a graphical image over the submit button. Then comes date. Date is a control for entering a date in the year, month and day, and here we can see that there will not be any time, only the date will be in DDMM YY format. The date element will give you a date picker. You can see a date picker. Then comes email element of input tag. The email element is a field used for editing an email address. Then the seventh element I am going to teach you now is month. A month is a control used for entering a month, and here we can enter a month with year and no time zone will be displayed. Then comes range. It is a control used for entering a number where exact value is not important. You can select a data in a particular range. If you drag left hand to the right hand, you can select a particular range, such as in case of volume you can select a volume, okay, and the default is from 0 to 100. Then comes date, time, local. This is a control used for entering date and time in hour, minute, second and fraction of second. It is based on UTC time zone. Then comes time. A time is a control is used for entering a time value here with no time zone. Afterward we will see week. It is a control used for entering a date consisting of week, year, number and a week number with no time zone. Then comes search. A search is a single line text field for entering the search string. File is a control that lets the user to select a file. Here accept attribute is used to define the types of file. Then comes last one, that is tel. Tel stands for telephone. It is used for entering a telephone number. So this is the source code which I have written in Notepad++. So whatever text you are seeing in black color, these are the hypertext. Whatever you are seeing in blue color, these are the tags. Whatever is written in green color, these are unexecutable statement which I have written just for explaining you what for these controls are used. So whatever advanced elements I covered in my PowerPoint presentation, I used all those input elements to show you how it is looking. So it can be best viewed in Google Chrome. Now see, this is the source code. Now I will open it in Google Chrome. So first one is the color element of input tag. Here you can use any color whichever you want, okay. So these are all interactive buttons. Then comes random number. You can see two drop down menus are there, okay. Then comes location. Here you can use input type is equal to URL for giving any location. Then comes input type is equal to image. Whatever src you are giving, that will be shown in a image button. So it is a submit button. Unlike submit, here image you can see over a submit button. Then comes input type is equal to date. Here the date is seen in DD, MM, YY format. So you can see here calendar can be seen. Okay, you can select the calendar. Now this is input type is equal to email. Whatever you are typing, it will be automatically validated by the form. So it will see whether the data entered in the form of email is correct or not. Then input type is equal to month. Here you can give month. Automatically you can see this calendar will come, and you can select the month also. Okay. Then comes input type is equal to range. Here by default it varies from 0 to 100. So whatever you are giving, that data will come in the form of range. Then comes input type is equal to date, time, local. Here you can see that you can enter the date as well as the times in the form of hours, minutes and second. Then comes input type is equal to time. Here you can give time which will be printed in the form of hours, minutes and second. Then input type is equal to week. Then this is input type is equal to search. So whatever you are entering, that will be searched by the form. And then there comes input type is equal to file. So whatever file you want to upload via form, that you can select and you can send it to the server. So likewise you can select any file whichever you want to select. Likewise, and then whatever telephone number you are entering, that will be validated by the form. So here today I demonstrated how input type is equal to color, input type is equal to number, input type is equal to URL, image, date, email, month, range, date, time, local, time, week, then search, and then file, and then telephone, that is referred as tel, can be used in form. So these are all interactive elements which we can use, and it is considered as an advanced input element. So you can try and see how this element works.